What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the hottest, fastest, and most thrilling rides hitting the streets. And today, we have something that's going to send shivers down the spine of every car enthusiast out there. The return of a legend, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. That's right, Dodge has revived the SRT-4, and it's back with a vengeance, promising to take the sport compact scene by storm. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into everything this car has to offer, from its aggressive design to its powerhouse performance. Let's hit it. Exterior first impressions matter, and Dodge knows exactly how to make an entrance. The front of the 2025 Neon SRT-4 is a bold statement of power and aggression. The design is sharper, meaner, and more aerodynamic than ever before. The signature crosshair grille has been reimagined with a more modern and angular touch, giving the car a menacing look. LED headlights with the rails cut through the darkness like a pair of razor-sharp pies, and the massive air intakes aren't just for show, they're functional, feeding the turbocharged beast under the hood. A carbon fiber splitter adds to the downforce, keeping this pocket rocket planted even at high speeds. Dodge wasn't playing around when they brought this legend back, and it shows in every inch of the front fascia. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 SRT-4 carries an aggressive stance with flared fenders, low ground clearance, and sculpted body lines that scream performance. 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires give it both form and function, while the side skirts add a track-ready vibe. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned, with air vents integrated into the fenders to reduce drag and improve cooling. And for those who love a more personalized touch, Dodge is offering a range of custom graphics and color options, making sure your SRT-4 stands out whether you're on the streets or at the track. The overall proportions feel more muscular, more refined, and definitely more modern while still paying homage to its iconic predecessor. Now, let's swing around to the back because Dodge has absolutely nailed it. The rear is just as aggressive as the front. With a huge wing that isn't just for looks up, it provides real downforce for better high-speed stability. The taillights feature a sleek LED design with the signature Dodge light bar stretching across the width of the car, giving it a futuristic yet classic appeal. But the real showstopper, the massive dual exhaust tips that sit in an aggressive rear diffuser, letting everyone know that this car means business. And yes, the exhaust note is pure symphonia, deep, raspy, and full of turbocharged fury. The 2025 Neon SRT-4 is loud in all the right ways, and Dodge made sure you feel that adrenaline rush every time you hit the throttle. Interior: step inside, and you'll find that Dodge has blended modern tech with pure driver-focused performance. The cabin is all about excitement and functionality. The sport bucket seats are heavily bolstered, keeping you firmly in place during hard cornering, wrapped in Alcantara and premium leather with red stitching that screams performance. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels meaty and responsive, featuring paddle shifters and SRT badging. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, giving you real-time performance metrics, including boost pressure, lap times, and G-force readouts. In the center, a large infotainment touchscreen with Dodge's latest New Connect system provides everything from navigation to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that you stay connected while carving through corners. Carbon fiber trim, metal pedals, and an overall race-inspired cockpit complete the package, making sure that every time you sit inside, it feels like you're ready to hit the track. But let's get to what really matters, at the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 packs a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out a staggering 350 horsepower and 370 pounds-to-feet of torque. And yes, this thing is a proper driver's car, available with a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists. along with an optional dual-clutch automatic for those who want lightning-fast shifts. Power is sent to the front wheels, but Dodge has equipped it with a limited slip differential and advanced traction control to keep torque steer in check. 0 to 60 miles per hour, a blistering 4.5 seconds. Top speed, pushing past 160 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest front-wheel drive cars on the market. The turbo spool is intoxicating, the acceleration is relentless, and the handling, sharp, precise, and incredibly well-balanced. Dodge has put serious work into making sure this car is not just fast in a straight line but also capable in the corners. With the reworked suspension, adaptive dampers, and a chassis tuned for pure driving pleasure, performance braking is just as impressive, with high-performance Brembo brakes giving you confidence-inspiring stopping power. Whether you're launching down the drag strip or carving through mountain roads, the SRT-4 delivers in every aspect. The rev-matching feature on downshifts ensures seamless gear transitions, making spirited driving an absolute blast. It's clear that Dodge has engineered this car to be more than just a straight-line missile. It's a complete performance package. Now, let's talk about pricing. Dodge knows their audience, and they've made sure that the 2025 Neon SRT-4 remains one of the best bang-for-your-buck performance cars out there. The base model starts around $36,000, which is an absolute steal for the performance you're getting. Fully loaded with all the performance upgrades, tech, and premium features, you're looking at around $42,000. That's still well below some of the European hot hatches that can't even match this level of power and excitement. Plus, Dodge is offering a special launch edition with exclusive colors, badging, and even more track-focused enhancements for those who want the ultimate version of this beast. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is everything we hoped for and more. It's raw, aggressive, fast, and full of character, bringing back the spirit of the legendary SRT-4 in a modern package. It's got the looks, the tech, and most importantly, the performance to make it a true game-changer in the sport compact world. Whether you're a die-hard Dodge fan or just someone looking for an affordable thrill machine, this car delivers on every front. Dodge has proven once again that they know how to make an exciting, driver-focused machine, and we couldn't be more excited about the return of this icon. That's a wrap for today's review. Let us know in the comments, are you hyped about the return of the Neon SRT-4? Would you take this over its competitors? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning into Trendz TV, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay fast, stay furious.